Orson Martin once said, "The golden rule for every business is this: put yourself in your customer's place." Now, what better represents that than how they find your website? Welcome back to Business Mind, your hub for all things business and marketing. In today's video, we're diving into the key to unlocking your business's true potential that lies in mastering the art of website optimization for search engines. This is Business Mind. Join us as we dream big and achieve bigger. Step number 1. Create a list of keywords. Our journey to supercharging your business through website optimization begins with a critical step: creating a list of keywords. In 2023, keywords remain the foundation of SEO success. These are the words and phrases your potential customers are typing into search engines, and you want your website to show up when they do. To start, think about the products or services your business offers. Put yourself in your customer's shoes. What words would they use to find your offerings? Next, conduct keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planners, Ahrefs, or SEMrush. These tools will provide insights into search volume, competition, and related keywords. Aim for a mix of high traffic and long-tail keywords, as they cater to different types of search intent. Once you have your list, organize them strategically throughout your website's content. This forms the basis for effective SEO and sets the stage for our next steps in optimizing your website for search engines and boosting your business in 2023. Step number 2, SERP analysis. On to the second crucial step in our quest to optimize your website and boost your business's online presence in 2023. Now that you've got your list of keywords, it's time to delve into the competition. Our focus here is to analyze Google's first page of search results for the keywords you have identified. Why? Because this is where you want your website to be. Start by searching each of your target keywords in Google. Take a close look at the websites that occupy the first page. What do they have in common? What kind of content they offer? How do they structure their pages? Pay attention to the top-ranking pages, meta titles, meta descriptions, and the quality of their content. This analysis will help you understand what Google's algorithm favors these specific keywords. Your goal is not to copy but to get insights into what works. Armed with this knowledge, you can create content that's not only competitive but also offers a unique value proposition. Step number 3. Create something unique. In the world of SEO, creating something different or better is the key to standing out. Look at the top-ranking pages you identified in Step 2. What can you do differently or better than what's already out there? This doesn't mean reinventing the wheel, but rather adding your unique twist. Craft content that's more comprehensive, up-to-date, visually appealing, or user-friendly. Offer fresh insights, expert opinions, or data-backed information that your competitors haven't covered. Remember, your content should provide immense value to your audience. It is not just about impressing search engines, but also engaging and satisfying your visitors. By consistently creating something different or better, you'll not only climb the search engine rankings, but also establish yourself as an authority in your niche, securing your success as a digital entrepreneur. And hey, isn't that the main reason you're here after all? You're in pursuit of your business success, driven by dedication and motivation to make everything work. Well, not to worry, because here on Business Mind, we want you to dream big and achieve bigger. And we have set it up just for you. Check the link in the description below, and who knows, your streak of success might just be one click away. Step number 4. Consider on-page SEO. On-page SEO is about optimizing the elements directly within your web pages. Start with your title tags and meta descriptions. Ensure they are not only keyword-rich, but also compelling and relevant to the content. Next, focus on your header tags, H1, H2, and H3. These help structure your content for both readers and search engines. Incorporate your keywords naturally and logically. Don't forget about internal linking. Link related pages within your website to provide a better user experience and guide search engines to important content. Lastly, optimize your images with descriptive alt text and compress them for faster page loading. Fast loading pages are favored by both users and search engines. By mastering on-page SEO, you will enhance your website's visibility and usability, driving more organic traffic and boosting your business's success. Step 5. Evaluate search intent. Understanding and aligning with search intent is paramount. When users enter a search query, they have a specific intent, whether it's informational, navigational, transactional, or commercial investigation. Your content must cater to these intents. For informational queries, provide comprehensive, educational content that answers questions thoroughly. For transactional intents, guide users towards making a purchase or taking a desired action. Perform thorough keyword research to identify the dominant intent behind your target keywords. Analyze top-ranking pages to see how they address this intent and provide content that matches or surpasses their efforts. Remember, user satisfaction is a top priority for search engines. By optimizing for search intent, you not only boost your website's rankings, but also enhance the user experience, ultimately driving more conversions and business success. Step number 6. Focus on content design. In an increasingly visual world, the design of your content plays a pivotal role in capturing and retaining your audience's attention. Start with a clean and visually appealing website layout that is both mobile responsive and user-friendly. Mobile optimization is more vital than ever in 2023. Enhance your content with engaging visuals such as high-quality images, videos, infographics, and custom graphics. Visual content not only makes your pages more appealing, but also aids in conveying complex information. Consider your content's readability. Use legible fonts, clear headings, and short paragraphs to make it easy for users to skim and absorb information quickly. Optimize images for fast loading times to ensure a seamless user experience. A well-designed content not only ranks better in search engines, but also keeps visitors engaged, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Step number 7. Build backlinks. Backlinks or inbound links from other websites to yours are like votes of confidence from the online community. They tell search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Building a robust backlink profile is key to climbing search engine rankings. Start by creating high-quality, shareable content that others naturally want to link to. This could be in the form of informative articles, data-driven research, or unique resources. Reach out to authoritative websites, industry influencers, and bloggers within your niche to request backlinks. Building relationships in your industry can help you earn valuable links over time. Ensure that your links come from reputable sources and avoid any shady link building practices that could harm your SEO efforts. Remember, building backlinks is an ongoing process. Regularly monitor your link profile and adapt your strategy to keep your website at the forefront of search engine results, driving more organic traffic and boosting your business. Step number 8. Keep your content timely. The digital landscape is in a constant state of flux, and search engines favor fresh and up-to-date content. To maintain and improve your rankings, regularly update your existing content. This can include adding new information, updating statistics, or refreshing the design. Stay informed about industry trends, news, and developments. When significant changes occur, create content that addresses these updates promptly. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also positions you as a reliable source of current information. Implement a content calendar and schedule regular updates to ensure your website remains a valuable resource for your audience. By keeping your content timely, you will not only enhance your SEO efforts, but also demonstrate your commitment to providing relevant, accurate, and valuable information to your visitors. And there you have it. We have explored the art of optimizing your website for search engines and propelling your business into the spotlight in 2023. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So, go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.